The lotion has 5 ceramides. It has glycerin, it has vitamin E, it has hyaluronic acid, and it has oats. I mean, the ingredients are so much that even me myself, I'm like, what? Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dangela. If you're watching me here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification, like this video, and share as much as you can. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Face Fact Ceramide Moisturizing Cream and the Face Fact Ceramide Moisturizing Lotion. So stick around and do not go anywhere at all. The Face Fact Ceramide Moisturizing Cream comes with 5 ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and oat. Now, ceramide helps to moisturize the skin, it helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to protect the skin barrier, it helps protect the skin against aggressive weather condition or environmental pollution. Having this in mind, you can agree with me that ceramide is really good for the skin, right? Now, hyaluronic acid is I would say the almighty hydrator because it helps to hydrate the skin to the fullest. I mean, I cannot overemphasize the effectiveness of hyaluronic acid on the skin. It is that good. Now, oat, on the other hand, helps to hydrate the skin and helps to nourish the skin. Oat helps with skins that are really tacky, dry, flaky, you just need oats as an ingredient in your skincare routine if you have a dry skin. Now, having this in mind, you would agree with me that this particular cream is a masterpiece, right? Now, this cream will suit in your skin. It will help to hydrate your skin. It will help, to clear dark circles around your eyes. It's actually very good. That means you can use it on your face and your body. But I will still say that before you do that, do a patch test around this place to be sure that yes, I can use this cream on my face. But it is for sensitive and dry skin. Alright? Now, this particular cream says that it is dermatologically tested, it is vegan free, there is no fragrance in it. Like, you don't have to worry about fragrance. You're a pregnant woman, you're someone that does not like fragrance at all. My god, this particular cream will be very good for your skin. It will suit your skin, it will nourish your skin, it will hydrate your skin, it will protect your skin. It is just everything that you want when it comes to what I just said so far. Let's just go to the Face Fact Ceramide Moisturizing Lotion. Now, I must accord Face Fact for doing amazing jobs with their skincare, with their products, because I mean, having cleansers, having moisturizing gel cream for the face, having moisturizer for both body and face, having lotions, having serums. They have serums as well, they have eye cream, they have all those things. And guess what, I don't think, ever since I've been checking their reviews, I don't think I've seen any negative reviews about their products. It has always been positive reviews. And they have products for blemish too. If you have someone that have blemish on your face, on your skin, they have products for that as well. So it's just amazing. Face Fact, you guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much for putting us in mind. And the most amazing thing about them is that their products are very affordable. I know what I am saying. We all know how skincare products are so expensive these days, but they actually put us in mind and they're like, let's just be considerate and make our products affordable for everybody to be able to afford it. With that being said, the lotion has 5 ceramides, it has glycerin, it has vitamin E, it has hyaluronic acid, and it has oats. I mean, the ingredients are so much that even me myself, I'm like, what? This is amazing. Vitamin E is actually an ingredient that is so good to the skin. Vitamin E, people don't really talk about vitamin E, they first talk about vitamin C, but vitamin E is actually really good. It brightens the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it helps the skin with irritations. Vitamin E is very good to the skin. Glycerin is one ingredient that helps to hydrate the skin. I remember back then, while growing up, my mom buys glycerin. Like, there's this glycerin inside the bottle that she buys. After using a lotion, she will still use the glycerin on her skin because my mom has a dry skin. Her body is dry, but her face is oily. So she uses that glycerin. I just watch my mom do all those things. I'm like, Mom, what is this? What are you doing? I don't really understand the meaning of all those things, but I knew that my mom was using glycerin because she always mentioned glycerin. So glycerin gives her that hydration to the fullest, and her skin is just glowing. You don't even know my mom has dry skin, but she does have dry skin. So glycerin is really, really good. So that means this particular lotion would give you that amazing glow that you want. It comes in lightweight. The cream also comes in lightweight, by the way. But knowing this, I know that you're probably in the situation of, damn Lola, which one should I go for? Should I go for the lotion or should I go for the cream? I don't really want to go for. Okay, this is it. It depends on what you want to achieve. Bear in mind that these two products, this and this, are both for dry skin and sensitive skin. Right? That means they will both give you the glow. But one is going to give you a better glow than the other. One is more richer than the other. Generally speaking, cream and lotion, one is actually better than the other. Generally speaking, I would prefer to pick cream over lotion because cream is rich in consistency. They are always thicker, they are always richer in consistency, and when you apply them on your body, even though they both absorb really fast, I'm talking about this too, into the skin, you still see, you know, the cream still on your skin radiating, giving you that glow to the fullest compared to the lotion. That's how it is generally. Cream will still give you that rich lather, that, you know, glow more than the lotion. Does that make sense? More than the lotion. So if you're thinking of the one to go for right now, it depends on what you want to achieve. If you're someone that your skin is not extremely dry like that, you can go for the lotion. If your skin is extremely dry to the fullest, I'd advise that you go for the cream because the cream is actually thicker in consistency, and it's, when I mean thicker, generally creams are more thicker, even though they said it comes in lightweight. Though this particular lotion comes in, this particular cream comes in lightweight. I'm just saying that because it's a cream, it to become rich on your skin, to be very, very rich on your skin. It is lightweight, to note that. So it's not like you're not biting and be like, damn, but you said this thing is thick. It's actually lightweight, but it's going to be richer on your skin when you apply it compared to the lotion, which is also lightweight too, but it will be richer on your skin when you apply it. Does that make sense? So I would advise that you go for the cream if you have extremely sensitive skin or you're extremely big on hydration like my mom. Yes, does that make sense? Yes. So if you want to use any of them on your face, please do a patch test to know the one that suits your skin type better, the one that is suiting for your face. I'm talking about your face, so do a patch test so you don't have any irritations at all. But in general, ceramide is really, really good for the skin. In general, face fact are very considerate. They are very, I don't think there's any face fact product that you will use that will give you rashes or breakouts. They are very, very considerate with their products. They are very, very they're very considerate. Not just considerate, they are very concerning. Like they are very concerning. They know what they are doing. You know, I'm not saying every other brands don't know what they are doing, but they're very concerning. Very, very concerning. They are literally, I think they are putting more concern on people that have sensitive skin. You know, like they are, because the fact that it is vegan free, it does not have fragrance at all. I feel like they are concerning about everybody in general, regardless of your skin type, your skin color. They just want to be able to serve everybody, especially for those of you that are pregnant. If you're looking for something to use that is really safe and it's not going to give you irritations, or you don't want something that has fragrance at all, I believe this particular body lotion or body cream will do a fantastic job for you. All right, with that being said, which one would you be going for? Let me know at the comment section. Is it the ceramide face pack moisturizing lotion or the ceramide face pack moisturizing body cream? Let me know at the comment section. That is all we have for today. Do not forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notifications, and please share this video as much as you can. I love you guys. See ya. Bye.